Hello traders, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to be looking at the Zenox expert advisor for MetaTrader 5. This is a multi-currency expert advisor that really pushes gold trading hard, along with a couple of GBP pairs, and the developer has some serious eye-popping numbers on their page. So I ran it through the strategy tester myself to see what's real and what's hype. So ensure you watch until the end of this video to get the whole picture and all the information you need before purchasing this expert advisor. Now before we dive into today's expert advisor, we have a free forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in. You can get it for free 100% by using the link in the description below, so ensure you check it out. It's actually worth it. And let's start with what the seller actually claims. Zenox is presented as a smart automated trading system for XAUUSD, GBP/USD, and GBP/JPY. Now, also the time frame is the 1 hour time frame, and they talk about the momentum or trend-based approach that identifies strong directional moves and enters with proper risk controls. According to the MK5 page and signals, it uses advanced risk management, including auto lot sizing, break-even protection, and trailing stops to lock in profits. And all of this is highlighted here on their page. These are the list of pairs that you can trade using this expert advisor, and they show massive growth examples like turning $3,000 account into over 40 million between 2021 and 2026, high win rates, controlled drawdowns, and consistent performance across different market conditions. Also, the marketing emphasized that it performs well in volatile gold markets and has built-in filters to avoid bad setups. This is exactly how it looks like on the chart. And on their signals page, they do have a signals page. This is their signals page, and on this page, on the signals page, they promote steady equity growth with algo trading at 100%, and they position it as suitable for both experienced traders and those wanting a hands-off gold robot. However, we have negative 22% from April 2026, April 12th, 2026. So in about a month, we have just 22% loss. But overall, these are the statistics of the expert advisor, and in total, we just have 295.96 negative, and this is the history. This is what the account's like. And everything is straightforward, everything is 100%. And also, one thing you should note is that they make it sound reliable for trending markets, especially in gold, which everyone knows can have explosive runs. Now, moving on to the features and settings that they market, you get individual toggles for each pair, so you can run it on gold if you want. You can also handle your auto risk management. This is a big one, defaulting around 5% per trade, with options for fixed lots or custom risk. Break-even triggers at 1 hour and SL offset points are adjustable per pair. There is also a max open position limit, which they present as a safety feature. Overall, the developer highlights these as flexible tools that let you adapt the expert advisor to your account size and risk tolerance. These are all the settings and features as advertised on their page. Now, I had the opportunity to run this expert advisor on my own on MetaTrader 5 from April 2025 to April 2026 with a $10,000 starting deposit on the every tick modeling and zero latency. This is what it looks like. The equity curve stays pretty flat for the first couple of months. Then it begins climbing with some nice steady uptrend sections and a few quick drawdowns that recover. You see some bigger green bars during strong moves. Overall, net profit came in at about 680,000 US dollars. Profit factor is about 5.79. We have a max balance drawdown just 5.73% and win rate at 87% from 92 trades. That's solid on paper, but here's the thing: compare that to the developer's live signal right now, which is actually down 22% with a 50-50 win rate and some painful losing streaks. The backtest looks much better than live results, which is common with these systems as we all know it. And honestly, the catch is that why the inputs like auto risk, break-even settings and pair controls actually matter and give you decent flexibility, this expert advisor is still spread sensitive on gold and can get hit hard by news events. It loves strong trending markets but stays quiet or takes small hits in choppy conditions. One or two big losers can wipe out weeks of gains when risking 5% per trade. So it's important you can edit this if you want. Edit whichever percent you want so that you'll be able to accommodate your account. Yeah, not everybody loves to take too much risk on their account, so you can edit everything here. But the recommended for the expert advisor is actually 5%, and I guess maybe because of their high win rate or whatever it is. But if you are okay with 1% or 2%, you can set everything here. It's super customizable. So this is how it is. My verdict for this expert advisor is that Zenox is a selective trend / momentum expert advisor that can work for gold if you have a low spread broker and you can run it on a VPS, but it's not going to print money every week, and the high advertised profits often don't match live performance. This one is actually for experienced prop traders or gold specialists who understand volatility and can handle occasional big losing trades, and also traders who have realistic expectations. Beginners or anyone who gets nervous during drawdowns or quiet periods should probably avoid it. Yeah. And if this review was helpful, smash the like button and subscribe, turn on notifications for more honest expert advisor reviews like this. Drop a comment below which robot should I text next, and don't forget to grab the free Forex robot from the description. Thanks for watching, trade safe, and I'll see you in the next video.